Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to upload models for Quest using 2018 420 F1 or SDK3. To get started, you have to make sure that your model is underneath 10K polys, it has the limited number of bones, and it also has an Alias of one texture. It also requires you to use a Vrchat shaders in order for it to work correctly. Me personally, I use Standard Light, but you can use Toon Light or any of the other ones. But these two seem to work out the best. Make sure that your model is still set as humanoid, which mine is. I have the eye bones and everything set up correctly. And for me, Legacy Blend Shape Normals has to be activated because if not, my shape keys end up having weird lighting effects, and I don't want that. The only thing that they really changed in the new build is setting up for the avatar descriptor. The view position can now be moved and adjusted, which is very convenient. Next, the lip sync is about the same. You just simply have your body in it and put your visemes to match. Now, eye look is for eye movement. You have to make sure that you click and drag your bones into this location. So you have to go down through your hierarchy. And now make sure that your eyes are selected. For me, my eyes are. If you want blinking, make sure you select bend shapes, and then you also use the eyelid mesh, which is your body. Select the shape key right here so that it's eye close, in my case, or whatever case it is for you, which is oddly blink or whatever you make it. That's the basics of uploading, at least on Quest. So now that everything is out of the way, we're going to go ahead and upload. Now when you're uploading on the SDK, there's two concerns. If you plan on using this for both normal mode and for Quest, you have to upload this twice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and upload it the first time. This one is just for anybody to use besides Quest users. Quest users won't be able to see this one unless you upload it twice, which I will get to in a moment. Now that it's ready to be uploaded, I'm going to do my typical setup. I'm just making it a solid color and then simply naming it. So now that this is uploading, we aren't quite finished yet. After this is done, we'll go back into the VRC SDK. So give me a moment while this uploads. Alright, now that it's complete, I will click OK. Now I'm going to go back into the VRC SDK, show control panel, go back into the builder. Now here comes the most complicated part. In order for us to use the Quest model, we have to have an avatar ID. Now with Quest and basic users, you can actually link together the same ID so that it can work with Quest and without Quest. So what we did was we uploaded the basic version, and now we're going to switch to the target for Android. It will take a while, so be prepared. I'll get back to you when this fully switches over. Okay, so now that it has switched, you can see it here. It says switch build to target Windows. But the model is now available to upload. So what we're going to do is we're now going to upload it using the same avatar blueprint. So I'll be back when it gets to the upload screen. Alright, now that's up the upload screen. We can go ahead and upload it like usual. It should have all the information saved because of the blueprint. Now to make sure that this worked correctly, we can go back into the Vrchat SDK, go to show control panel, and go to Builder. Now it's saying that there is no support currently for this, which should be incorrect. But if we go to the Content Manager, we can probably more likely see it. So give me a moment, I can pull up it on Vrchat. Okay, now that I have Vrchat open, you can clearly see now, both the markers it says PC and Quest are now lit up, in comparison to just PC. So hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know. I can try to help and clarify it. Hope you all have a great day.